Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 12, that is preparation of comparative profit and loss statement. We have already seen how the comparative profit and loss statement is to be prepared, but in this question, as you can see, only percentage, one value is given to you, and on the basis of one value some percentages are given to you, and first you have to calculate the individual figures for both the year, current year and previous year, and then you will proceed in the same way, that is calculating of absolute change and percentage change. So this is the question before you, where particulars is given to you, current year, that is 2017 and 2016 is given to you. If you can have a look in the question, only cost of material consumed value is given to you, that is 13,44,000 for the year 2017 and 6 lakh for 2016. Then revenue from operation, they have given you percentage of material consumed, that is 125% and 200%. Similarly, other expenses percentage is given and tax rate percent is given. So let us see how this question will be solved. Now here you can see the solution. A comparative P&L statement we will be preparing in the same way, that is particulars, note number, previous year, current year, absolute change and percentage change. So let's start with the question. Now, as you all know, in P&L, the very first heading is your revenue from operations. So, the very first will be income, that is revenue from operation. Now, how you will calculate revenue from operation? So, here you can see percentage of material consumed is given. What is that? Cost of material consumed is 13,22,000. So, here you will be calculating 125%. So, how you will be doing it? It will be revenue from operation is equal to 13,44,000 multiplied by 125 upon 100. That will give you 16,18,000. In the same way, you will also calculate it for the year 2016, that is 6 lakh into 200 upon 100, that is 12 lakh. So, both these figures will be substituted over here. So, for previous year, it will be 12 lakh and for current year, it will be 16,18,000. Then you will be calculating absolute change, that is your A minus B. V minus A, that is current year minus previous year. So, 16 lakh 18 minus 12 lakh, that is 4 lakh 80,000. And then the percentage change, that will be your absolute value upon your previous year. So, 4 lakh 80 upon 12 lakh into 100, that will give you 40%. Now, in the question, other income is not given to you. So, just you will be writing other income, put a nil, and then you will be getting total revenue, that is the same value. Now you will be moving to second part, that is your expenses. In expenses, the very first part you will be writing is your cost of material consumed. So cost of material consumed will be, it is already given to you in the question, that is 13,44,000 and 6 lakhs. Just a minute. Yes, 6 lakh and 13,44,000. So here again you will be calculating absolute change, that is your current year minus previous year, that is 13,44,000 minus 6 lakh, that is 7,44,000, and your percentage change will be 7,44,000 divided by 6 lakh, that will give you 124. Then other expense. Now here other expense, they have given you percentage of operating revenue. Operating revenue is nothing but your revenue from operation. So revenue from operation you have calculated 12 lakh, and then you have to take how much percent? 10%. So 12 lakh ka 10%, that will be 1,20,000. Similarly 16 lakh 80,000 ka 10%, that will be 1,68,000. So here both the figures are done. Then again in the same way you will be calculating absolute change and percentage change. Now all the items are done. So next it will be calculating total expense, that is 6 lakh plus 1,20,000, that is 7,20,000, and same for here. But only here one thing you have to take care में, percentage में you have to not add it. Percentages individually you will be calculating for each and every case. So here your percentage will be 7,92,000 divided by 7,20,000, that will give you 110 into 100 करोगे तो. Then you will be calculating profit before tax. How profit before tax will be calculated? That is total revenue minus total expense. That is your 12 lakh minus 7,20,000. So you will be getting 4,80,000. Similarly for current year 1,68,000. Now when you will calculate absolute change, your absolute change will be your current year minus previous year. Since current year figure is less, you will be getting it in negative, and again the percentage. Then next will be your tax rate. नाउ टैक्स रेट 50% इज गिवन टू यू. टैक्स रेट आप हमेशा किसके ऊपर कैलकुलेट करते हो? प्रॉफिट के ऊपर. टैक्स लगाने से पहले जितना भी प्रॉफिट था उसके ऊपर. सो हियर योर प्रॉफिट इज 4,80,000. टैक्स रेट 50% है, तो 4,80,000 का 50% निकालोगे तो इट विल वर्क आउट टू बी 2,40,000. सिमिलरली 1,68,000 का 50% दैट इज 84,000. देन 3,12,000 का दिस तो यू विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला. सो बोथ इज डन. So how you will get absolute change? That is your 84 minus 2,40,000, that is 1,56,000. And how you will calculate percentage? That is 1,56,000 upon 2,40,000, that is 65%. Then similarly profit after tax will be this minus this minus this, and then absolute change will be 84 minus 2,40,000 and the percentage. So in this way you will be calculating whenever any percentage is given. Again I am repeating, कभी भी ऐसे टोटल फॉर्म में होगा तो उसको प्लस मत कर देना. For each and every individual cases, you will be calculating the percentage and the absolute change. Thank you.